Welcome back to Android Tutorials, and in this video I am going to give you a 5 free UI kits that you can download and edit in your Android application. So let's begin with today's video titled Best 5 UI Kits for Free. So our first kit is this To Go kit by UI8.net. All these themes are available for free in UI8.net, and the link of these kits you will find in the description. So please check it out. So our first is to go kit. So as I had said you, and this have amazing onboarding screen, login screen, a navigation draw, its a dashboard screen, its a detail activity, its cart page, payment method, food filters, my card profile, and these types of screens. And I think this is around 10 to not 10, but yes, it is 10 screens, and we can get a beautifully crafted screens. It is free typography and responsive contrast, organized layer, and easy to edit in Figma. So you can use this kit if you want then. And the colors are this type of, and we are going to use here they had used center century gothic, so you can use according to your need. So this was first. Next is delivered fast food. So this has also 10 screen, so you can see that preview here. It is in the iOS, high quality pamphlets, and its font family is free and fully customizable type. So you can download this also, and you can download it from here. You will get the link of this in the description. You so don't forget to check out the description. So here you will find the 10 16 screens like this. Next we have social media app UI kit. So here we have a social media UI kit, and this preview is not available, but you can see that here we will get a 5 screens. One is onboarding screen and profile. Second is a feed, UI feed, chat conversation, and messages. So as I had said you, here you can see there 5 screens with splash screen 3 version, and you can also download this for free from UI8.net, and this is free UI kits. And next we have onboarding screen UI kit. So this has 100% vectors illustration with component variation, free fonts and illustrations, easy to customize, and we can get these onboarding screens easily, and there is easy to download and import it to a Figma, so that you will get this free onboarding UI kit that you can use in your design. And last is amazing. So here is e-learning app UI kit, which contain a vector file plus 25 plus screens plus new font family is Poppins and well designed layers, and it is in the Figma, so you can easily get this. And the design you can see here, which is very satisfying. So here you can get this also for free. So this is the some uh, like Glassmorium theme, so you can get this also. So this was a new UI kit, and thanks for watching these Android tutorials. And if you want any of these UI kits, then you can download from the given link in the description. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the amazing videos like this. Soon we are going to launch a Facebook tutorial, so please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.